Good evening. Today I'm just going to be actually kind of reopening or getting this new lunchbox, lunchbox for Andycine. Yeah, don't know much about the company. Actually, I've never even went to the website yet, but apparently they make MSTATA boards, or they don't make the boards. They make the lunchboxes that the MSTATA go in, which is a pretty ingenious idea. Because if you've seen what Atomos is trying to sell us for their little small miniature pieces, it's crazy. This is a quick little unboxing. I bought the Andycine Lunchbox device. It actually goes behind the Atomos Ninja. Apparently, they take the card, the little memory card or whatever that's inside the T5. I have a 2 terabyte one here from Samsung. I'm gonna take it apart. It's an old one. I actually bought the T7s, which I talked about in my last video up here. So I bought some new T7s, which is a little bit faster. Decided to take my old T5s and kind of repurpose them for the Atomos, which is pretty cool. And they say it's pretty simple. Watch the videos a couple times, and there's a ton of videos on this. I just decided to add it to the collection of playlists so that when you come to my channel, you see everything that you want to see all in one shot instead of having to go different places to see everything. So yeah, this is it. This is what we're gonna do today. Right there. Perfect. So inside the box is literally different things. So apparently they used to have that box over there. They used to have a screwdriver in here, and I was told multiple times, but the screwdriver they say it was terrible. It didn't work well. So it seems that they don't do the screwdriver anymore. So we got the 5 screws that goes into the actual lunchbox and the hex key. We have the top plate right here. We have the card, which is this is part 2 of the actual card that's gonna go in together. This is the back piece here. And we have some other little documentation stuff, as well as this. So today we're just gonna put this all together, and yeah. So the first thing they say you have to do is literally peel these 2 stickers off. So there's a sticker here and there's a sticker here with 2 screws on both sides. So literally we're just gonna kind of dig at this thing to get that open. There's the screws right underneath there actually. I mean, I'm not actually going to be timing myself, but they made it seem as if it's not going to take long to do this at all. So that is a very, very cool thing. At some point during this video, I might actually fast forward it just so that it gets through a little quicker. Don't need you guys here all day watching this video. Is trying. Handy little blade here that I'm going to use just to get up underneath there. Yeah. So you see this is a sticker, right? Perfect. A little corrosion there. And the same thing on the other side. Sorry about the little hack job here. I'm sure I could have done this a lot better or a lot cleaner. Don't have the right screwdriver, but this actually seems like it's going to work, because once you get the screws in there, this one has a very sharp point. So it works really well. I'll leave that right there. Pieces here so you guys can see those. So guys, so these are the last two pieces that actually go together. Pretty simple. So I bought this piece as well, just so I don't have to buy the actual dock. They go together, and then the USB goes in right in here. So it should work very easy. It should go right there. So that should work very simple. So I'll test this out later on tonight just to make sure it works. But yeah, that's the lunchbox. That's as simple as that. Keep following me, guys. Subscribe. I have some more content. Once again, this is all over the internet. They've been talking about this for about 3 years now, but I just wanted to add this to the actual content that I was preparing, just so that everything that you're looking for was all in one spot. And I hope that it was educational and you guys got some information from it. Thank you. Subscribe. Please let me know what you guys think. And looking forward to adding more of this content for you guys. Thank you.